If you or someone you love used whippets or nitrous oxide products and ended up with lasting nerve damage, memory problems, or another serious health condition, you're not alone, and you may have legal options. Let's start with what a whippets lawsuit actually is. These are legal claims brought by people who were seriously injured after using whipped cream chargers, the small metal canisters filled with nitrous oxide, for recreational purposes instead of their intended use in the kitchen. These cases center on manufacturer responsibility. Companies that make and sell these products have a duty to warn consumers about foreseeable misuse, and in many cases, that warning never came. Here's what's actually happening inside the body. Nitrous oxide interferes with vitamin B12, a nutrient your nervous system depends on to repair and protect nerve cells. When that process is disrupted, especially with repeated or heavy use, the damage can move from temporary tingling to permanent nerve injury. And the injuries we're seeing in these cases are serious. Nerve damage affecting the hands, feet, or ability to walk. Memory loss and cognitive decline, depression, anxiety, and other psychiatric effects. In severe cases, paralysis. These aren't short-term side effects that fade in a few days. For many victims, they're lasting, life-changing conditions. This part really matters. This isn't a case for minor, temporary symptoms. It's built for people dealing with serious and permanent injury. If you've been diagnosed with lasting nerve damage, an ongoing neurological condition, or another significant medical issue tied to nitrous oxide use, that's exactly the kind of case our firm is looking to help with. So, who can actually be held responsible? In most cases, it's the manufacturer for failing to warn users about the risks of misuse, or for designing packaging and marketing that made abuse easy and appealing. Depending on the facts of your case, distributors and retailers in the supply chain may share responsibility too. If your case qualifies, compensation can cover more than just medical bills. That includes ongoing treatment and rehabilitation costs, lost income if your injury has affected your ability to work, and compensation for pain, suffering, and the impact on your day-to-day life. Michael Gunzburg has spent more than 39 years representing injury victims across New York. He also brings something less common to these cases. He's both a trial attorney and a certified public accountant. That financial background matters when a case involves calculating lost earning capacity and long-term care costs, not just proving what happened to you. Here's something else that matters. You pay nothing up front. Michael Gunzburg PC works on a contingency fee basis, which means there's no cost to you unless the firm recovers compensation for your case. If you're dealing with a serious or permanent injury connected to whippets or nitrous oxide misuse, the next step is a free case review. It's confidential, there's no pressure, and it's the fastest way to find out where you stand. Call 212-725-8500 for your free case review, or find the link to get started in the description below. Michael Gunzburg, PC, represents nitrous oxide injury victims nationwide.